Today I am reviewing the WYBOT C2 2025 Robotic Pool Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. One of the key highlights of the WYBOT C2 is its full coverage cleaning capability. Unlike many pool vacuums that focus only on the floor, this robotic cleaner is designed to clean the pool floor, walls, and waterline thoroughly. Its built-in high-precision sensors enable smart navigation, allowing the vacuum to map your pool and cover every inch without missing spots. It works safely and effectively on a variety of pool surfaces including tile, concrete, vinyl, and fiberglass, making it a versatile choice for almost any pool type. The vacuum's cleaning performance is impressive thanks to its triple motor system. It uses dual brush motors and a brushless pump motor that deliver powerful suction, up to 2,642 gallons per hour. The dual brushes work together with dual PVC scrubbers to aggressively pick up debris, algae, and dirt, even crossing drainage outlets with ease. This means you get deep cleaning power that handles everything from large leaves to stubborn dirt buildup, keeping your pool crystal clear. Filtration is another area where the WYBOT C2 shines. It features a dual-layer ultra-fine filtration system that combines a 180-micron large particle cartridge and a 10-micron ultra-fine filter. This ensures that the vacuum traps everything from bigger debris like leaves to fine dust and microscopic particles. Cleaner water means less strain on your pool's main filtration system and better overall pool hygiene. Battery life is also thoughtfully designed to match different pool sizes and cleaning needs. The vacuum offers up to 180 minutes of runtime in eco mode, which is ideal for larger pools or more thorough cleaning sessions. If you need faster cleaning, the turbo mode provides up to 60 minutes of powerful suction, with a recharge time of just about 3 hours. This cordless design gives you freedom to move the vacuum around without worrying about tangled cords or power outlets near your pool. Controlling the WYBOT C2 is simple and modern, thanks to the dedicated WYBOT app. The app lets you choose from 7 cleaning modes and 6 cleaning paths, including full pool cleaning, floor only, wall only, waterline only, and combined modes like wall and floor. You can also schedule up to 4 cleanings per week, ensuring your pool stays consistently clean without lifting a finger. This level of customization is perfect for pool owners who want to tailor their maintenance to specific needs and schedules. Additionally, the WYBOT C2 comes with a 2-year warranty, backed by dedicated customer support. This gives peace of mind that if you encounter any issues, expert help is just a call or message away. In summary, the WYBOT C2 Inground Pool Vacuum Cleaner offers a powerful, cordless, and intelligent cleaning solution that covers floors, walls, and water lines with ease. With its advanced motors, ultra-fine filtration, smart app control, and long battery life, it's a fantastic choice for pool owners looking to save time and effort while keeping their pools pristine year-round. If you want a reliable, tech-savvy robotic vacuum that takes the chore out of pool cleaning, the WYBOT C2 is definitely worth considering for 2025.